welcome. Sorry, the headphones might be a little bit loud. Let me again fix it. So this is basically like sleep steps, but I'm a duck or a bird or whatever. Wait, I mean it's much simpler. Oh god, oh god. I'm trying to beat this. Like little sleep steps turn out to be a massive failure for me because I'm really bad. Ooh, I'm doing real good. Wait, what? Ooh, wait. Okay. Bro, this is so simple. I don't know if I'm going the right way actually. I'm at 2 meter. Am I supposed to be at 2 meter? I don't know. I think I'm a yo, bro. Okay, I think I underestimated the power of the duck game. Wait, you go up. Wait, he went up. Wait, that's what, bro? What? How? Oh, he went here. This is where I also went. Okay, I was thinking this dude's following a different route, and I'm following the wrong route. So I was like that's why I fell now. Come on, this time. Hoo, ha ha ha. It's like only up, you know. If you don't see the only up, there you go, check it out. It reminds me of it, but also it's like has that hint of steep steps. How do I get up this? Ooh, some secret area? No, nothing. They just put that there for no reason. Can I get up like this? Wait, can I oh, I understood this. I understood this. Haha. You try to outsmart me, game? Oh, you underestimated who I am. I play video games, bro. Game. You're no. Oh, no match for me. What is this? Checkpoint. Give me a checkpoint. Something. Checkpoint, 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 checkpoint. No. Checkpoint. You checkpoint. Bro, I'm only like 6 meters. Oh, I thought it was gonna fall. I was like, oh, this is it. I'm never playing this game anymore. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna scream a lot. Oh god. Come on. Done! Yes! Done! Oh god, what am I doing? Yes. Okay. Whew. We're safe. Bird Idogame is safe. Checkpoint! Whoa, yeah! This is the first checkpoint I've ever done in these type of games. I feel so proud. Okay, this is so easy, man. Duckman, I do game can't have nothing hard, man. I pass these stuff like this. No. Are you supposed to do like that? Because I feel like I've cheated. Oh my god, I'm cheating the system. Is it? Wait. No. Okay. I thought that the game's like purposely making me like float in the right direction. I mean, they're not. They're definitely not. I was doing it. I'm so dumb. Okay, I was just going to test that so that if the game is actually just playing with me and it's actually not hard, and it always guides you to the proper, direction. So I was like, yeah, it may be like that. It's not. The game's true, guys. Like it's based on steep steps. Steep steps is gosh dang awfully hard. Okay, come on. Easy as it is. Calm down, man. Calm down. Chill, man. Chill. Okay, easy. Simple. Bro, I am Duckman doing this so well that you can't believe it that I'm doing that so well. Cause I'm me and me don't do so well. Huh? Okay. Huh? Someone tell me how I'm supposed to do this, because I have no idea. How am I supposed to, Oh god, how am I supposed to do this? Wait. Have I been there before? No, it's new. Oh god, this is gonna be the biggest jump of a lifetime. Whoa, let's go. Checkpoint, baba boo, yay, yo, hey, yo, this is a banger. I don't wanna. Oh, it kills you. I was just trying to test out the myth that it doesn't kill you. It does. It's traps for Birdman. Birdman, I do game. Duckman, I do game. These traps. He hates them. It bites them. It injures them. Oh, you're trying me to do that thing. The thing. Go the thing. What am I doing, man? What am I doing in my life? Oh god, I'm so stupid. Okay. Caution, spikes. Yeah, there's spikes like stop suspiciously right there. Who has kept them? Oh, maybe developer. Developer. Oh my god. Okay. This is getting too hard. What is this? Why am I not able to do this? Yeah, see, that dude is also doing Birdman. Idogame is not the only one. No. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Because this is really hard. Oh god, this is so hard. Like, wait, what? Who made it so difficult? Oh yeah, it's Space Jam. You know, my boy Steep Steps. Steep Steps. Oh god. You talking about Steep Steps? Hoo ha he ho ho. Santa Claus. Why is that? What's come to my mind? It's not even Christmas yet. Christmas. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is awful. This. If you want me to play more of this game or even like continue Steep Steps, you know, like and comment, like and subscribe, and peace and bye, cause I'm done. I've been irritated a lot. Oh god.